Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will find Gears of War Reloaded game where is the save files or config files location on PC, and this is for the Steam users. So here follow the steps. Steps to find the Gears of War Reloaded save game files. So open File Explorer, click on this PC, go to C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, then open app data folder. If you don't see app data, then click on this view. In the drop down you will see show, then check mark hidden items, and then open app data folder, then open local folder, then open coalition folder, then open wargame folder, and then open the save data folder. Now here you will see the save game files for the game. Now here follow the steps to find the Gears of War Reloaded config files location on PC. So go to C drive, users folder, your username folder, app data, local, coalition folder, wargame folder, and then open the config folder, and here you will see the config files of the game. So by following this step you can access the save files or config files location on PC for the game Gears of War Reloaded game for the Steam users. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.